I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the DTR form. The Daily Time Record, often called DTR, is a crucial document for tracking your work hours and attendance. Properly filling out this form ensures that your payroll is accurate and that your company remains compliant with labor regulations. We'll cover everything from entering your personal information to recording your daily ins and outs, making the process straightforward and easy to understand. Let's get started with the basics. Next, let's focus on the personal information section. It's vital to accurately enter your full name and employee identification number at the top of the form. Double-check that your department, section, and job title are also correctly recorded. This information helps to identify you uniquely and ensures your time is attributed to the correct team and role. Taking a moment to verify these details prevents common errors later on. Now for the core of the DTR, recording your daily time entries. Each day, log your exact arrival time in the morning time in column. When you leave for lunch or a break, record that in time out. Upon your return, mark your time in again. And finally, your end-of-day departure in the last time out column. Be precise, using either a 24-hour format or clearly indicating AM and PM. Accuracy here is key. Finally, before submitting your DTR, take a few moments to review everything. Check for any missing entries or errors in your recorded times. Make sure your signature is present, and if required, obtain your supervisor's signature as well. This final check is crucial for preventing discrepancies. Once verified, submit your completed DTR form to the Human Resources or Payroll Department by the specified deadline, typically at the end of each pay period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.